Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how I take care of the fretboard and frets of this beautiful Les Paul guitar. This is a rosewood fretboard, so the first step is to apply some conditioner. In this case, I am using some Gibson lemon oil. It's a fretboard conditioner which hydrates and also cleans it very well. I start by applying some solution to a polishing cloth and by gently going through each of the frets. In order to get all those impurities out of the rosewood fretboard, I am also using a very soft toothbrush. The way I do this is I brush into the direction of the grain, otherwise you risk damaging the finish. After that, I let the lemon oil sit for a bit and I wipe it clean with a dry cloth. And here is the result. It starts to look a little bit better. Next up, let's take care of the frets. I start by cleaning the areas where the frets meet the fretboard, and I do so with a clean paper towel, using my fingernails to get the oxidation out as good as I can. For the next part, it is time to protect the fretboard by using some high-quality masking tape that will not leave a residue after we're done. I usually start applying the stripes so they are as close as possible to the frets, right where the fret meets the wood. After the masking is complete, I use a fret rubber, in this case a Housco 1000 grit. This will take care of the oxidation as well as solving all those fine marks on the frets. You will see that I use a fret guard as I don't want to take off the masking tape. It's starting to look a little better already. This will take some time as you will have to go through each of the frets, but it will be worth it in the end. Having polished frets is very important for the playability, especially when you do bends. The next part is optional, but you will get that mirror finish. I use some metal polish by dabbing a little bit on the frets using a Q-tip. The way you do this is by using a non-colored cloth, cotton or polished cloth, and tap the solution until the frets are very nice and shiny. You will get to spend around 10 to 20 seconds per fret, but it will be worth it. This is how the fret will look after it will be polished. It's a bit difficult to show it on the camera, but let's look at some before and after photos. So, here is how the frets used to look. Also look at the fretboard. This is it after being conditioned. And this is the end result. So, how do you clean your frets? Let me know in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.